Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
I've been following you on social media, especially on YouTube. That you might know that you're getting my notification daily.
Yeah,
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay. I have some question, a list of question from your audience and some question from my side as well. That you have to be answered for your audience to know you better.
Okay.
Have you any problem to answer?
You can.
Okay. So my first question is, what's your real name and where are you from?
You can call me Mubarak, and I am from Sol.
That's a very good and very short intro.
Yeah, of course.
I'm going to ask you another question. The question is, who influenced you to be on social media, especially on YouTube?
So I wanted to say that I'm a fan of myself. So no anyone influenced me that I come to social media. I am come from myself.
So you are the star of yourself.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, that's that. Move to the third question. My third question is, what is your major?
I'm a student of Blind Sharia.
Okay, since when?
I have started 2 years ago.
Do you study in university or college level?
I'm studying in University of Sol.
How lengthy is this course?
5-year course. This.
That's a pretty lengthy. Okay, along with this question, are you studying the Islamic study as well?
Yeah, of course. I'm also studying in a seminary. Now I'm in 6th year in a seminary.
So how this course is long?
This course is 8-year course.
So you are 2 and 1, the educate and the alim. Am I right?
Good.
I can also call you the educate and the alim.
Yeah, of course.
Alright. Well, I have watched some of your videos, but not all. So I'm going to ask you about your content on your social media.
Okay.
What are your contents?
I created a video on vlogging that I am vlogger. I'm the fan of vlogging, so I wanted to make vlog.
I also know that the music in the background is not convenient for you, so I'm going to stop the questions. You can take a sip of juice as well. Okay, yes. Second, my next question is, what are the resources that you have using for the content creation?
I have no specific resources that I make a vlog. Make my content. I have only myself and my only my phone.
Okay, do you want someone to sponsor you or help you?
Yeah, of course, but
Okay, I'm going to ask your friend that kindly help your star. Have you any message for your friend?
yeah, of course. That if you're new on my YouTube channel, so please subscribe our channel and share with your friends and support us. Thank you.
That's a nice meeting. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.